Well, when I say raise their hand, you raise your hand. Everybody, if you want.
Hold on, you gotta wait till she says it. Hold on.
Oh, it's okay. You can come up.
You can go up there, Bubby. Yay!
Speak to us. But wait. If they make silly stuff, I have to take it away from them.
No.
Hey, sit down.
Sit down. He says sit down.
I have to stand up because I'm supposed to.
Okay. Go on, tell us, Bubba.
The car.
The car. What else you gonna say? What's your name?
I'll tell him his name. His name is Christopher Jerome Evans.
This section.
And he likes to run and play with his car and do everything. And he never stops. But when it's time to go to bed, he goes to bed. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else wants to come up here?
Daddy.
You gotta raise your hand.
Raise your hand, Daddy. Raise your hand.